Hi everybody, and welcome back to our tutorials on how to build our website for our business using our free forever System.io account. Today we're looking at how we can create drop-down menus on our main menu bar on our website. So we're going to navigate to our website by clicking on blogs, clicking on our website name, and we come to our website page. Now, just to remember, I'm going to say this over again. If you've seen my other videos, you would have seen this, but just to refresh, a blog layout here, that is the elements that are on every page of your website. So that is your header and your footer, and it includes your menus. That is the blog layout. The post layout is how your blog post or your articles display inside of your web page, inside of your website, sorry. So we're going to open up our blog layout editor by clicking on this button here. We'll let that load and we will see our footers and our header for our website that we created in a previous video. Here's our header up the top here. Here's our footer down the bottom, and this in here we can't change in this section of System.io. This is our blog content or our website content. That's the content on each individual page. The header is the same on every page and the footer is the same on every page as well. So we're going to look at creating drop-down menus. We have our basic menu up here. We have our home, about, blog, community, contact. We're going to create a drop-down menu underneath our blog tab here with three of our most popular blog categories. So we're going to click on here, remembering that blue, if I can highlight it, there we go. Green is our section, blue is our row, and orange is our individual elements inside of the row. So there's our image, and here's our menu. We're going to click on this, which will bring up on the left hand side our edit bar, where we can edit all the things in this menu. So you can see up here we have our home tab, our about, our blog, community, and contact, all linking to blog links, which is a website page within our website. So we're going to go up here to our blog and we're going to click on this. We're going to highlight this box here that says has sub menu. This is how we're going to create a sub menu under our blog link tab. So we're going to click on this and it will open up the sub menu. And so here we can add another sub menu, so we can put in as many here as we like. I don't suggest putting too many options. People usually don't really choose any. So we're going to choose our top three most popular categories for our blog, and we're going to put them in this drop down menu. We're going to type in the title of what we want it to display as, then we're going to pop in the blog page link, and then we're going to select the page that it will be. Now if we change this up here, we can also do custom URL here. So if we want to link to somewhere outside of our website, we can use a custom URL and we can put that link in here, and that when people click on this in the drop down menu, they will go to that custom URL. You might link to your YouTube or your Facebook. You might link to another site of yours or a site of somebody else's. You can put any custom link in this spot you would like this link to go to, but we're going to be linking to a blog page today. So we're going to type in our title and then we're going to select our blog page below. The first one we're going to do is we're going to do the category of soil. So we'll type in soil. I'm going to say for your garden. That's what I would like it to display as. It's going to be a blog link within our website, so we leave that as blog link. And here we're going to click down, we're going to scroll down to our categories here. We can see we've had 6 categories. We're going to click on the soil category, and now that will link to that page. We can open that in a new window if we want people to stay on our home page, which I'm going to do. And then we're going to add a second one. Type in what we would like it to be. Composting in the home garden is what this one is going to be. Oops. type it correctly, and it's going to go to a blog link. We're going to click on the drop down menu and scroll down to our categories. Oops, I'm going to get a bit more space here. Scroll down to our categories and we're going to click on composting, and we would like that to also open in a new tab. And because we're going to do 3, we'll do one more add submenu. This one is going to be fertilizer. For your garden, which is also going to be a blog link, which we'll grab here, scroll down and click on the link for that, open in a new window, and then we're going to save these changes. Always remember to save changes, and then we're going to preview it and see how it looks. So we click on our little preview icon, wait for that to load. Yes, this always lets us know that this is not a blog link to share. Thank you for letting us know. We're going to click on our blog, and as you can see with these ones without a submenu, highlight them. You can click on them and go to those pages. But when we highlight over blog, we now have a submenu. We've got those 3 there that we have chosen, and when we click on it, it will go to that blog page. Now we haven't added any blog articles yet, so there's nothing in here, but we now have a submenu on our website. See you in the next video.